On the way to Andorra, our journey begins with excitement in our hearts as we leave the city behind and head toward the breathtaking mountains of Andorra. The road ahead is full of promise, winding through serene landscapes that seem untouched by time. As we climb higher, the air grows fresher and the views more spectacular. Towering peaks rise around us, their majesty reminding us of the beauty of nature. Each turn in the road offers a new postcard perfect view. Deep valleys, blanketed with lush greenery and quaint villages, nestled at the base of the mountains. The anticipation builds as we approach the border of Andorra, a tiny yet magical country hidden amidst the towering Pyrenees. It's a place we've long dreamed of exploring. The journey itself feels like a story unfolding. With every mile, we are drawn deeper into the charm and mystery of these mountain roads. In Andorra, Andorra welcomes us with open arms. Its charming streets, picturesque architecture, and snow-capped peaks create a scene straight out of a fairy tale. Exploring this peaceful haven feels like stepping into another world. The mix of modern comforts and natural beauty is simply breathtaking. We wander through the quiet streets, visit quaint shops, and soak in the serene ambience of this mountain paradise. Andorra is a place where time seems to slow down, letting us savor every moment. On the way back, as we make our way back, we carry with us the essence of Andorra, the tranquility of its mountains, and the charm of its people. The journey home feels different, yet equally beautiful. We reflect on our adventure, every breathtaking view, every peaceful moment, and every memory that will stay with us forever. Though our trip comes to an end, the mountains, now bathed in the warm hues of sunset, offer a magical farewell.
ਜਿੱਦੂ ਇਹਨੇ ਬਣਾਈ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਟੂਰਿਸਟ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਬਣਾਈ ਇਹਨੇ ਆਉਣਾ ਤਾਂ ਸਾ ਪੈਸਾ ਕਮਾਣਾ ਪੈਸਾ ਥੋੜਾ ਚੱਲਦਾ ਇੱਕ 18
The road reminds us that the journey is just as meaningful as the destination. Until next time, Andorra. Driving down the winding roads, like, share, and subscribe.